Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. We are unboxing the I1R EOS by Olight. It is an all-in-one rechargeable keychain light. So we're just going to jump right into it. Quite small, as you can see the box, and we expect it to be very small inside as well. So specifications for this light in particular, it is high 150 lumens. It will project out 40 meters for about 15 minutes of a charge. Low, it is 5 lumens, which is plenty enough. 9 meters for over 6 hours. And of course, it's impact resistant, waterproof. So that is fantastic. It is 44 millimeters in length, or 1.73 inches. It's about 14.8 millimeters diameter, or 0.58 inches, and it weighs in at 13.5 grams, or 0.48 ounces. So we're going to pop this guy open, and it's just a quick tear tab at the back, unless you don't quite get it. So we're going to pop that open, and we're going to slide out, and there you have it. We've got, in the box, we've got the Olight branded cardboard here, which just retains the light. So you can see very small light in there, nice and snug. As you can see, it's about half of my thumb in size. It's got, of course, a little attachment for the keychain, and it just screws, and it's actually charged up a little bit already. So you can see there's the light at 5 lumens. And then, of course, and it's not going to see it, and that's at full 150. You can see quite the variance in light. Because this is a lit studio, you're not going to see it terribly a lot. Of course, we have, and that's going to try to roll off on me. So we're just going to try to put it there. You can see it's got the Olight, and then, of course, the brand model. If we open it up, we can see it pops out. You've got the nice USB charging. We can just screw that back in. And, of course, that controls the light itself. So we're just going to put that there. We've got, of course, a micro USB cable. It's actually kind of that nice flat rubber. It's got a different texture kind of to it. And, of course, it's got some blue there and caps on it. So that is pretty straightforward. And then we just have the instructions showing the charging indicator red and then green when completed. So, of course, that is it for this unboxing, and the reason is I wanted this was for my everyday carry. Just wanted a very small flashlight. Of course, this will do quite nicely, because in the scheme of things, this is significantly smaller than my key set. So it will be nice to add on. Of course, I will have some other unboxing videos for some of my other EDC stuff that I'm working on, as well as some stuff on my Instagram, so you can check that out over at Paint Inc. If you want to share what your everyday carries are, by all means, shoot me a tweet at Paint Inc. or over on Instagram. I would love to check them out. So that is just a quick unboxing of the I1R EOS from Olight. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button, and until next time, see ya.